a great choice today with the 2020 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, security system, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer, overhead console, power moonroof, power driver's seat, rear window wiper. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.